Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noel. I hope you're doing well. I am doing fine. I'm doing well, and I'm so excited, guys. So yeah, today's video I'm gonna unbox what I just bought. Something small, guys, groceries and all that. So I'm gonna show you what I've bought in an ordinary market. And yeah, guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, like. Do not forget to like, comment, and also you can share to your family and friends if you can, guys, so that we can move forward and forward. Yeah, and then also I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna cook for lunch. Okay, guys? Yeah, so let's get into the video. So guys, for our lunch, I'm gonna prepare the meatballs and rice. So you can see my rice is boiling at the moment, and also the meatballs are boiling. And yeah, see the results. Guys, this is what I bought. I don't know, do I stand this way? Sorry guys, my kitchen is congested. Don't worry about it. So this is what I just bought. So let me show you varieties of things. So here I have, let me bring these ones here. Alright. I do have these potatoes here, the Irish potatoes. These Irish potatoes going for 100 shillings, guys. As always, I don't want to repeat myself crying all over again. Economy is bad in Kenya. Economy is worse. It's bad, guys. So these 100 shillings, yeah, but not that bad. And then next, I bought these yams. Is it arrowroot or yams? Actually, I do not know the difference between arrowroots and yams, but comment down below what you think about it. So I just found that guy was chopping the yams or arrowroots, and then because I'm a fan of yams and kienyeji, that's like ngwashe, that's sweet potatoes, and then the cassavas, I love them so much. So I found him doing this. It was fresh, so I decided to take it. And my two guys, this 100 shillings. I think it's one yam going for 100 shillings. Well, things are getting hotter and hotter. So let me put it here. And then next, let me put this one aside first. Let me put in this sufuria here. So this I bought, this one is mbuzi, it's goat meat, that's one. And then I do have, okay, actually this one is the goat meat here, and this one is the beef, the cow meat. And then I got the pork right here, and I got the chicken, the full chicken. It's leaking. Yeah, this one. So yeah, that's all about meat. And then let's proceed. Let me just put this one. Where do I put this? And then without forgetting, guys, I bought omena. I love omena, guys. For those who pretend that, oh my guys, omena inanuka vibaya, sijui vipi, nategemea na wewe mwenyewe vile ambavyo unaosha na vile ambavyo unapika. Kama hujui kukaanga ama hujui kupika, definitely you will dislike omena. But me, I love omena so much. So many people detest omena because of the scent and all that, but it all depends on how you clean it. Okay? Yeah, so I have this one, and it's going for 100 shillings. Even omena, guys, has gone high and high. Let me clean this. This chicken was leaking so badly. the egg has just busted. Oh wow. Clean. Alright, to the next. I bought this piece, the green piece, as you can see. This one I would like with this one. I think I'll put in a dish. Kinda. I'll put in a dish. In a tin. Something like a tin. Yeah, you can see it's a green piece here. And guys, you know this one is going for 100 shillings. Initially this amount before were going for 50 shillings, and right now it's 100 shillings. Ha! We are dying of hunger in Kenya. What? We're gonna die of hunger. But God is with us. We'll pull through. So, and then I bought these capsicums, the hoho, lipili hoho. So capsicums each going for 10 shillings. And then I bought the malimau. This is malimau. The ndimu. When you naita ndimu, kuna naita malimau. So this is lemon, 5 shillings each. And then I bought the onions. I bought onions worth 160 shillings. The onions, the red onions. We just put it here like this. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah, onions I was supposed to put it here like this. Alright, so guys, this is 150 shillings. 150 Kenya shillings. What? Hey! What? This life, oh. This life. It's not easy. And then I got the tomatoes also. Tomatoes I bought what? I think 100 shillings, if I'm not wrong. So let me put it here. Oh. Yeah. But I'm gonna wash the tomatoes and capsicums and malimau. I put them in the fridge so that it can last long. What's going on? You have decided to sacrifice yourself to the ancestors. Yeah, so these ones were going for 100. This one, where is it coming from? And then also, without forgetting, guys, I got the stickers. I want to stick it at the bathroom and toilet because I need them there. So this was going for 100 shillings. That is $1. And this is a toothpaste dispenser, as you can see. So it's a toothpaste dispenser, and also it has another piece of what do you call it? Of putting toothbrushes. So let me just show you practically so that you can see. So this, my hands are dirty, but I'm gonna, of course I wash it. So this is the toothpaste dispenser. As you can see the design here it's open at the top. So here is where you're gonna put the toothpaste, and then you insert your toothbrush here. You push this particular kidude here inside, and then your paste will be coming out right from here. You get me? And then I have this part here. This is for toothbrushes. So you just open like this, and then you hang your toothbrushes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least we are covered. So actually this whole thing was going for 550 shillings. As you can see, it's even jotted here. That's $5.5. Yeah, guys. And another thing, someone broke my toilet brush, and I felt so bad because it was so strong and expensive. I don't know what happened. Of course, accidents happen, but it's okay, guys. So I decided to replace with a black one, and this one was going for $2. can see the black. I have never seen a black toilet brush before, so I saw this and I was enticed. So yeah, I hope it will last long. I hope it's not as light as it might look. I think it's good enough. So this one was going for $2. Sorry. And then another thing, of course, I do have a dustbin. I do have a bigger one. I think it's 100 liters or something, the bigger one. When I have it, I will put it inside. And because the time I usually cook, I peel the tomatoes, I peel the onions, name them, I peel them. It's usually a lot of work opening the door and going and dispose. So I've decided to buy this a small bin here, the trash bin, so that when I peel the tomatoes and name them, I put them here. When it's full, I go and dispose to the main bin there, so that when it's full, we take it outside to the trash. You understand? So this one was going for $1. It wasn't that expensive. So it's $1 and it's just perfect for the kitchen inside here, for the small things right here, right there. Or if you unwrap things like bread, maybe vegetables, when you bought them, those particular pieces of papers, you just undo them and put here, and then you take them outside, so the work becomes much easier. Yeah guys, so this is what I've managed to buy as of today, and as you can tell, I've used this one. I've used like 20. I've used 20 and a half dollars. That is 2,000 if I'm not wrong. 20 and a half, that is 2,500. If not wrong, I've used 3,000, approximately 3,000 shillings. These stupid things, these small things for 3,000 days. Where is our country going? Where is our country going? So this is what is going for 3,000, really? And initially or before, you could buy something like this or things like this for only $10. Oh my God, calm down. See us, we are suffering. Guys, this for $30, sorry. I'm not even believing. So let me just show you the entire things that I've bought. So this is the red onions here, as you can see, and meat here. We have the chicken, the full chicken. We have pork, we have goat, we have beef. We have omena here. For those who detest it, I'm sorry, but it's very delicious, omena. We have the green peas here. We have tomatoes, we have capsicums, we have the malimau. This is lemon, and then we have Irish potatoes. We have arrowroots or yams, if you prefer. I don't know, comment down below. I don't know the difference between yams and arrowroots. And tomatoes. And then here we have the toothpaste dispenser and toothbrush holder, as you can see there. And here I do have the trash bin, I have the toilet brush, and then I have the stickers here. And yeah, that's the today's shopping. Guys, what do you think about this? What do you think about it? Is it worth 3,000 shillings? Comment down below, let me know about your thoughts. We've come to the end of the video, as you can see, and thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this brief video, and let me see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are allowed, you are welcome to these lovely families. Just go ahead and hit that white button written subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. You will enjoy all the videos and the coming and the forthcoming videos, and we'll push through together. So guys, without further ado, let me see you on the next one. Au revoir.